Last item to pair here is going to be our wireless remote control. Let's pair them. Press and hold until you see that 8-step fuel gauge scroll. Remember, 120 seconds, 2 minutes to pair that optional accessory. We're going to take the wireless remote control. There's a power button on it. You're going to press and hold it for about 1 second. And you will see that 8-step fuel gauge blink. We have now paired all the accessories. If you press the power button on the wireless remote, it will now turn on the complete lighting system. If you press the power button again, it will turn the lighting system off.